In today's video, I'll show you how to download photos and videos from Google Photos to your phone's gallery, step by step, in real time. Let's get started. First, open your Google Photos app. Select the image you want to download to your phone's gallery. Now, this photo is stored in Google Photos but isn't saved on your phone yet. You can check that by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. If you see the download option, it means the photo isn't stored on your device. If the photo was already saved locally, you'd see Delete from Device instead. So, to download this one, just tap Download. It'll say Downloading, and once it's done, Download Complete. Now, open your Gallery app, and there it is. The photo has been successfully saved to your device. But what if you want to download multiple photos or videos at once? Here's how to do it. In Google Photos, long press on any photo to start selecting. Tap all the photos or videos you want to download. Tap the share icon at the bottom left. Scroll through the app options and tap More then More again until you find Files by Google. Once you select Files by Google, wait a few moments, and your selected photos and videos will be saved directly to your phone's gallery. Now, when you open the Gallery app, you'll see all your newly downloaded media ready to view, share, or edit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.